Hi everybody, my name is Jennifer. I'm a Senior Customer Success Manager here at Actimo, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to build an entire app for your organization and for your employees. So come and take a look with me and let's build an app together. The first thing we want to do, now we have this blank screen, we want to make it look a little bit more like our branding. So we're going to add a logo on the top. To do that, we go in Theme and we're going to upload a header logo here. I've already prepared all of my videos and my picture that I want to use in a separate folder, and I would really recommend you to do so. It's much easier and it's much faster to build the app with that. So I will select a logo, and another thing I want to do is that people always be redirected to the front page. So I'm going to add the front page here to this tiny button. That's basically it to do for the header. You can obviously also change the colors, but we're not going to go into the details just right now. The next part I want to show you is how you can add modules to build the message, to build your front page of the app. To do so, we were going to use the grid module. The grid module are several tiles that you can use. In that case, I want to use 3 tiles for my 3 major topics that I want to cover in my app. Right now I'm building an app for a facility management company, so 3 of the major parts is onboarding, health and safety training, and a section about my team. So let's quickly do that. The first thing, I will select how many tiles I want to have per row. In that case, I want to have 3. And then for each of the tile, I will select and upload a background image. In that case, again, I have them prepared and I will upload the background picture. I will do the same thing for my second and my third tile, so just hang on with me and I will be done in a second. Tile number 2, and the same thing for tile number 3. Upload a background picture, select the picture you want to upload, and that's basically it. Right now I want to do a tiny thing. I want to add a white border around my pictures, so I can do that. When I select the border, select the color, and I want to have the full color visibility. So that's basically it. We have the first major part of our app built, which is the 3 tiles next to each other. Once we have the content in each area, we can directly link each tile to go to that content. We don't have that yet, so let's not go into the details. A second big part of my app and the front page, I want to have a news feed with all the current and local information I want to share with my employees. To set that apart from the 3 tiles that I have here on the top, I'm going to make a tiny news header. So I'm going to upload a picture that I've again prepared. So uploading the picture, and now we're going to insert the news feed. To do that, we use the feed feature we have in Actimo. So we click on the feed and we will basically select all messages that have the category, the hashtag front page news. And then again, we will sort them by the most current one. So the most recent news you want to publish is always going to be on the front. And I also want to have a search bar that people can directly search for keywords and certain things they want to see in the newsfeed. So that is basically it. You can see it's very fast, and just by looking at our app right now, it already feels like a real app. With some content, with some news feeds, with a search bar, and you can even load some more. Now that we have built this amazing app, we obviously want to show it to our employees and make it available to our employees. To do so, we're gonna switch from the compose mode to the send mode. So we click on the top right corner on send, and this is where another magical thing happens, because this is where you can send out the link to your app to your employees. You will create a tiny message, insert the message link. You will select who you want to send it to, in that case to my entire corporation. Right now it's only me, but it doesn't matter. And I want to also be able to head it to my home screen to really have the app feeling. The next step you do is click on the send button here in blue. You confirm it again that you really want to push it out to one person. I confirm, and then it's going to be sent it out. You will be redirected directly to our analytics page, where you can see how many people have received the message, and then once they have opened, also how many people have opened the message and which are the areas that they viewed in the app. So this is basically how easy really you can build an app. It only takes you a couple of minutes. Make sure that you have your content ready and prepared. Make sure that you have a clear idea what you want to show in your app. And then it's basically just putting everything into an app and making it available for your employees. Very easy, smooth, and efficiently. So This has just been a very sneak preview on how you can build an app with some very basic modules that we have in Actimo. Obviously, there's much more to it, and you can change the app to make it even more look according to your branding. So if you want to know more, get in touch with us, and otherwise, thank you very much for listening and have a great day.